Welcome students. In this video, let us look at the equation of the chord bisected at a given point x1, y1. So let us say that you have the circle S is equal to 0. There is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Have a general circle. And you have a point x1, y1 somewhere inside this circle. So you have a point x1, y1. Now through this point x1, y1, you have a lot of chords that can be drawn, right? You have this chord, you have this chord, you can draw this chord, so on. You can draw many chords. But I want the equation of that particular chord which is bisected at this point. So the equation of that chord is given by t is equal to s1. And is it with respect to this point, write t. With respect to this point, write s1. T is equal to s1. That is xx1 plus yy1 plus g times x plus x1 plus f times y plus y1 plus c is equal to t is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. So this is equal to this is the equation of this chord AB, which is exactly bisected at this point. So how is this equation coming? If you are asked to directly find this equation using some general logic, the logic that you can use is, okay, this line is passing through the point x1, y1. This line has to pass through x1, y1. So to find the equation of this line, what else do you need? You need the slope of the line. Because you know the point, if you know the slope, you know the equation. So how can you find the equation? For that, let us join this P with C. P is the midpoint of the chord, C is the center of the circle. So we know that the line joining the center with the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. So what is the slope of CP? y1 minus of minus f, y1 plus f by x1 plus g. So this is the slope of CP. This implies what is the slope of AB? Because these two are perpendicular to each other, the product of the slopes have to be minus 1. So minus of x1 plus g by y1 plus f. So what is the equation of AB? Y minus y1 is equal to minus of x1 plus g by y1 plus f times x minus x1. So if you simplify this equation, you get exactly this equation. So I want you to just do the cross multiplication, do the required simplification and see that you get exactly the equation t is equal to s1. So from the next time you don't need to do all this process, directly write t equal to s1, that will be the answer. So let us take an example. X square plus y square is equal to 25. This is a circle. What is the chord which is bisected by the point 1, 2? So the equation will be just x square becomes x into 1 plus 2y minus 25 is equal to t is equal to s1 is 1 square plus 2 square minus 25. 25 gets cancelled. So you get x plus 2y is equal to 5. So this will be the equation of the chord bisected by the point 1, 2. Thank you.